Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix a yellow screen in iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start our video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now here scroll down, click on display and brightness. Now here you will see a brightness true turn. So first solution is true turn. So turn on this button. So click on night shift. So turn on this button, go back. So if these both solution are not working, so again click on settings. Now in settings click on accessibility. Now here click on display and text size. Now here scroll down, click on color filters. You will see a color filter button is turn off, so turn on this button. So this is working. So these solutions are working. So that's how you can fix a yellow screen in iPhone 17 Pro Max. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.